Hello guys, we are going to learn how to create shapes with CSS. In this opportunity, we are going to create a Pacman. To start with our project, we are going to first add some HTML code. In this case, we are going to write undefined Pacman ID. To work with, we're to understand what is happening with this context, we are going to declare the Pacman ID. So let's start. To know what is happening and to see what is happening with this CSS code, we are going to add some color. And we are going to create a simple shape. In this case, we are going to put 20 pixels and a height of 20 pixels. As you can see, simple squares of 20 pixels for 20 pixels appears. Now we are going to add some border to this simple shape. We are going to start with the right border. So let's add, for example, a 60 pixels. We are going to make it solid. And then now we can see the border. We are going to repeat the same for the border top, the border left, and the border bottom. We're going to declare again solid that we could see where is the shape. Border left, and again the border bottom. Okay, it's easier to see that we have a simple shape with some border. Okay, now we are going to give the border property, the border radius property to the border. So let's start with the left part. We want it rounded. Okay, we start to see that is what is happening. Then we add some code for the right border, the top right, then the bottom left, and the bottom right. As we can see, we have a shape rounded by border. So we are going to set the property to 0 pixels, and the same. And now we have a circle created by borders. Now we are going to make this part transparent because, well, it's like the mouth of the Pacman. We're going to make transparent, and we can see, well, I defined the background as red, so that's what we see, the background red, but we are going to delete. Well, the Pacman is from yellow color. I'm going to declare its color now, but we can see that it's it's hard to see with the white background. So we are going to declare a simple background for our HTML. And as you can see, we created a Pacman, a simple Pacman with CSS. I hope that you understand, and I'm going to leave the code. My name is Max, and I hope that this simple example will help you to create more shapes. Thank you.